get to the bottom of it. Now you got punch in the head.
Hit me first. You just
Can't do it. Go out.
Cops rushed to an Oak Park bar after two drunk divas turned the ladies' room into a VIP lounge and refused to leave like bathroom tiles came with bottle service.
Bathroom? Yeah. You just want them out? Yeah. Alright, you guys gotta come out.
These two right here gotta go. These two gotta go. These people still leave. What you mean these two gotta go?
Come on, talk to me.
No, wait, no.
Come on.
No, wait. We in a video bathroom. We take here, we take here.
I don't know, but this is private business, so they just bum.
Not me.
She didn't say anything about you. I'm alright, how about you?
You good?
I'm good, how about you? Oak Park.
That's my area. Don't touch me.
Well, you guys are here.
We actually why they here.
Come on, let's go.
We asking you and you why they here. Both of y'all. We asking both of y'all why they here.
Alright, let's go.
No, we not. We asking both of y'all why they here. Excuse me. Why they here? Can I say something? I'm not gonna do nothing.
No.
Listen, baby. You were just trying to be cool. No.
Stop screaming.
Baby, just stop telling how you loyal, John. Stop. No. Stop.
Alright, let's go.
No. Alright, we figure out. Don't touch me. On my dead mama. Don't touch me.
I'll talk to you.
On my mama. Yo,
I'll talk to you out here.
That little ass shit you don't get up here.
Go.
Come on, guys. Come on, we gotta go.
I'll talk to you outside. I'll talk to you outside.
I'll smack the out of my dead mama.
Let's go.
You know that. Come right now. You lucky to put it. I'll smack you on my body. Don't touch me. Why you crying now? Come. I'm right here. Come.
Then the drama peaked. One woman attacked a staff member and ended up face down on the floor courtesy of an officer. Gravity always wins when attitude meets authority.
No, it's Eddie. Or it's, yeah, it's Eddie Action.
Just wanted to make sure.
Get my purse. Get her purse.
Can't do it. Go out.
Get my purse. Get my purse.
Get the purse and get out.
No, my daddy, ready for the bags. Y'all gonna let her, y'all put that shit. You are black out. We sorry. We sorry, no. I have a chance, we tell him. No.
Figure out right now.
Calm down. Breathe, alright. Alright, bro.
No, back up. Cuff her up.
Alright, chill, bro. We bro. Chill, y'all just cuffed us for shit.
You just fucking punched me.
You just overthrew me on the ground. Like I'm not a female. Y'all. If y'all die, y'all can die. Come here. Let me get up. Come here.
Can you get some more cars over here? Simon just got punched in the face. Let's go to supervisor too.
Hey. Come here.
Sit right here.
Get up though. Can I sit down? Yo, cause I ain't start shit. Now go lock her. She hit me first. What the?
All right,
She hit
back
me
up.
first. She hit me
Back up.
first though.
Well, you guys aren't letting us get to the bottom of that.
She just hit me in my face first.
You didn't let us get to the bottom of that. Now you got her punch in the
She hit
head.
me first. You just watched us. Go get her. Y'all for look at her. She hit us first.
Okay, how am I supposed to know that? Why are you punching him in the face?
I'm telling you.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Well, maybe you guys would have stepped outside and acted like adults.
Both claimed to be the victim and wanted the footage. Classic bar logic. Everyone's innocent until the replay.
Please, I just don't want to sit down.
No.
Y'all got me handcuffed on my purse so I can hit
Shut
y'all.
up.
Look, okay, she cool.
Ma'am,
She's a girl.
get her up.
She's a girl.
Put her in the
What's
squad.
in there, Pop?
Simon, put her in the squad.
I'm cool. You got me checking on me.
Get up.
Help me out. You get the other room. Y'all gonna take care of y'all job. Best friend. Get my purse. Get my jacket. No.
Just throw her in the back of my squad.
Double Hennessy.
Ma'am,
Oh, this.
ma'am.
Oh, that's your name.
Please.
That's your name. I want to beat the f out of
No.
Fucking knock it off.
I want you.
Do you have an ID?
I want you. I don't.
Okay.
I want you.
Get in. Get in right now.
I'm getting in for what though?
You fucking punched me.
Cause you just threw me on the ground like I'm not a female. You wanna her push me? You wanna lock her up?
Can you
She
get her
punched
under
me
control?
first.
What happened?
She punched me first. She don't
Who's
lock us
she?
up.
Who is she?
Come here.
Hold on. No, you're talking to me first.
She touched me first.
Let's figure out what's going on.
Listen, on my dear grandma, I love my grandma. I was love my grandma. On my dear grandma, she hit me in my face first. And she don't lock us up.
Hey.
She don't lock us up, bro.
Take a
I'm crazy.
breather.
I'm serious.
Listen.
No, crack a serious. Y'all look like you know
Let us
that shit
figure
for
out what's
nothing.
going on. All right. What
I'm
happened?
sorry.
inside?
Listen.
Breather. Breathe.
I put it on my grandma. I love my grandma to death. She hit me in my face first. That girl should never hit me and I work here. She should never been back
I
here
don't know
to
what
hit me.
happened. I'm trying to get
Are
your
you
story
okay?
to figure out what
She
happened.
should have never got back there to attack me in the first place. That's why I hit her, because she hit me first.
Okay.
You see my hair already? She done pulled my hair out.
And who's the one that struck you? The one that orange?
The one with the orange, she hit me in my face for me to do shit. I'm talking to y'all. I'm talking to y'all. Y'all let that bitch go in there, and she just hit me first, and y'all gonna lock us up.
No, listen to me.
I'm crying.
We're gonna figure this
I know,
out.
y'all not though. Cause y'all
We're
put
gonna
my
figure
best
this
friend in
out.
handcuffs. Listen, I'm talking to you, but my mama, I'm mad, but I got respect. You feel me? I got respect over everything. Oh my dear grandma, I love my grandma to death. She just hit me first, and my father wanna kill this.
Got you.
Now I'm gonna tell you the truth.
Okay.
No, you gonna listen to me. You said I'm gonna talk to you.
We're gonna
I'm gonna listen to you first. She touched me first.
Okay.
You
We're
locked
gonna
my
figure
best
that.
friend up.
We're
Y'all
gonna
put her
figure
on the
that.
ground. She
Okay.
touched me first.
I know.
She should be here. My best friend locked up.
I
Why
know.
my best
Listen to
up?
me.
Why my best
But listen.
Today's call is not finished yet.
Listen,
All this right now.
I don't know if it's possible.
not done yet.
Put us in the alley. I want to fight her head up. I don't care. She hit me in my face. It's
Okay.
self-defense. I want to fight her. She just hit me off in my ass.
Okay.
She hit me in my ass. I ain't do shit. She saw y'all and she want to hit me because she knows she won't grab her because y'all call. Oh my mama, y'all
You want to tell me why would she attack you?
I'm
Why
trying
would
to
she
talk to
attack
y'all
you?
and I don't, bro. I'm
Why
trying
would
to talk
she
to y'all.
attack you? Why would she attack you?
She's weird. She's, bro. She's
What happened
weird
in there to make her
'cause her talking to us and we look good for her to talk to us.
You have her ID with you?
I don't need
You
my
have
ID.
no ID in there?
No.
Keep her here. If you gotta go in cuffs, you're gonna go in cuffs.
Listen to me.
We
I
had
don't
no
want to
to-
detain you right now.
You
Just listen to us
to me.
until we
Did I
figure
just say I
out
put
what
that
we're
on my
gonna
grandma?
do.
Did I just put that on my grandma? I said I
I
care
got
about
you. You
her.
can
I said
put
I'm chilling.
anything on your grandma.
When I say
You know
I'm chilling,
what? Put her in cuffs. Put her in cuffs. Throw her in a squad.
I'm chilling.
You're currently being
I'm
detained.
chilling.
Don't bring it out. Don't make
Okay.
it worse. You're being detained.
Until we get to the bottom of
hands
it,
on
we're
your
just gonna
back.
put you in
In
the
the
car,
fact,
okay?
put your hands behind your back. Do I need
Relax.
this? Yes, ma'am.
Relax.
Do I need these police officers from you?
Yes. Use your
Wait,
resistance.
let's try with my first.
Now, listen.
Officers cuffed both as they screamed and fought. Police lock these wild animals up and don't give them an audience.
Can I wipe my ass first, or one of y'all wipe my ass? I prefer the female. Wipe my ass. Oh. I prefer the female.
Alright, the female's gonna do it then.
Wipe my ass. Then she said she's not gonna do it because she acting weird. I got my purse. Let me see. I got it. Go. Listen. Go. I gotta do this first. She hit me in my face. Y'all wear her swag.
Relax.
Okay. Y'all putting that for what? For self-defense.
Enough.
Don't kill me enough. If somebody pussy your ass,
Let go of
I got my stuff.
Let go of this stuff.
Y'all put me, listen. Y'all put me in a cuff for her pussy in my face. Tell her run the camera, she hit me first. Before we leave, I want you to run the cameras and show that she hit me first.
that's
Then
what
we
we're
want to
looking at.
Okay, go.
We're looking
and then
at
when
it.
y'all looking at, I want to fuck her one-on-one in the alley. I'm not
That's
clean.
not how this works.
Somebody
When my
pussy you,
radio's
you
not
walk
going
away.
through, mine turned,
If
so
somebody
I don't know what
pussy you,
channel I was
you
on.
walk away.
I was calling, I was hearing a
Somebody
response.
pussy you,
Let's
you
go.
walk away.
Alright.
If somebody pussy you, you walk away. Oh my dear grandma, y'all weird as f***. I'm putting it on my grandma, I admit that shit. Y'all put me in handcuffs. What the f***? Y'all weird as f***. Oh my dear grandma.
Search her real quick. We can search you.
Y'all make me I'll search her real quick. Can I be with my best friend? Cause y'all put
Your best friend's in the car.
I don't have shit on me, folks. I don't have shit
Just
on me.
procedure before we put you in the car.
Run the cameras, that's procedure.
And well, that's what we're doing.
I want her on my dear grandma, cage boy.
right,
Okay, that bitch gonna lay here on my dear grandma. That bitch gonna lay here. You gonna lay here. Have a seat. On my dear grandma, y'all gonna lay here. Give me my phone.
We got your
I just
stuff.
told her she
Listen,
hit me.
we got your stuff,
Can I talk regular? Can you stay here? I don't want you close door me.
I'm not closing the
listen.
door. I'm right here trying to
I'm
listen.
telling you.
Listen to me.
No.
Listen to me first.
I'm
We're
listening.
trying to understand the story
Right.
and what's going on,
That's
right?
not something-
We got people inside.
I'm listening.
We got
Don't
people
keep
inside taking a look at the
I'm
cameras,
listening.
right, to figure out what's
I'm
going
listening.
on. You got
Keep
it?
talking if you're done. Let me know if you're done so I can talk now. Let me know if you're done.
Go ahead.
It's all
What do you
about
wanna say?
respect.
What do you wanna say?
Baby, you listening? We in the bathroom. She opened the bathroom door. The police hit her. She just doing it because her was trying to talk to us. I'm trying to tell y'all, her was trying to talk to us, and she came and she hit me. She kicked me. She kicked me on my dear grandma. I love my grandma. I won't allow her. Okay, I let you talk and I talk.
Right.
I'm emotional
You're
right now.
repeating yourself.
But listen, you have to understand I'm mad because I'm in here because you not. You have to understand I'm emotional right now. Y'all gonna take her words over me regardless because she right there. You have to understand I'm talking. Baby, I'm talking. I'm in here because she not. And I told you to hit me first, so you is. You is.
You're still getting to,
baby,
you're not arrested, are you?
Baby.
You're not arrested,
baby,
are you?
you listen, I'm talking, right?
Alright.
Baby, listen, can I talk? I let y'all talk. I'm emotional.
I understand.
I'm listening. I'm in here.
You're not listening though. You're not listening.
I'm listening. She said,
You keep on talking.
because I let him talk. He says, my phone talk.
But you know what?
I'm not, she not yelling, we talking.
Okay.
Your friend
We talking, we not yelling. I'm listening.
All right,
I'm
just
listening.
listen to us.
I'm
We
respectful.
want to get your
I'm
story.
respectful. Talk to me.
We want to
I'm
get your
respectful.
story.
Talk. Go. I'm listening. Go. I'm listening. Go. I'm talking. I'm listening. Go ahead. I'm
We're trying
listening.
to get your story.
I listen, I'm
Right now,
listening.
you are not in custody for anything. We are
Baby.
just put you in handcuffs to detain you. Okay?
Can I talk now?
All right. You were getting a little bit. You were getting a little bit too aggressive right there with the other officers. Okay.
Can I talk now?
You can, but
Okay,
you
listen.
can't stop. You can't repeat yourself if you're gonna do that.
She
All right.
kicked me.
Can I press charges on that lady
Yes,
that
there you
ran up
go.
on me?
Yes.
She got past one of your officers and got the swinging, so I got the swinging back. Then they started knocking her computer thing down, breaking the computer thing.
Okay.
Only thing we asked them to do was to leave.
Okay.
We're gonna go over here.
Can I please ask a question?
Yeah, what's up? Your
Can you
phone?
please
I'm
give
gonna
my
grab
phone?
it for you.
Yes.
What's your name?
No, I just want to know if she have it. If
She
have
has it in the purse,
How
right?
you know?
I just saw it.
Can you
That's
ask
why I'm
her?
trying to.
How you know? How you know
Because I
if she
think
have it?
Do you have a little purse, like a little wallet
No,
thing too?
I don't. Can you
I'm
please
gonna
ask her?
I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna grab it for you. Just get in there,
No,
dude.
I just want to know if my best friend have my phone because
I'm
they
gonna
in
check
there
on
with
you.
beef with us.
I'm gonna check for you.
Can I please get some air though? It's hot as fuck in
I'm gonna
here.
open the window. Have a
Like
seat.
damn, can I please just sit like
Let's
this?
sit. No.
I'm not gonna do shit.
No, put your
Bro, my fucking hands is handcuffs. I can't do nothing.
Put your feet inside the car. We'll open the window.
Like damn, I can't keep asking my best friend does she have her phone? My phone.
Put your feet
Like
in.
the lady said she is. Y'all not
Put your
taking care of
feet
no
in.
business. I hate fucking white people. Oh y'all make me mad. Just Mexican, Puerto Rican.
Okay.
Oh y'all.
What? Now that you're here.
Because I'm asking you a question. Out.
First, the orange shirt demanded a female cop. Now her bestie's throwing racial slurs while getting dragged out. Friendship goals, chaos, and matching handcuffs.
I'm asking you a
What
question.
kind of phone do you have?
It don't matter. She know it when she see it.
Move your foot.
Damn, I can't ask you. It's an iPhone. What the
Stupid ass. She's too drunk.
They all are.
Go with my best friend. I think I told my story. I told you be innocent. So she hit me first.
All right.
Baby, can you go with my best friend?
I can't talk to you because
I
you're not
can't trust
letting
you.
me.
Alright, just shut
I
up.
am.
Go. I'm listening.
Okay.
I'm listening. No, of course, though. I'm listening.
Hold on. I don't want to get to.
It's mutual.
I'm just going to.
I'm listening, baby.
I'm
listening.
just
I'm not
going to
aggressive.
retell you your
Go ahead,
story,
go ahead,
okay?
baby.
So that I get it right, okay?
My face hurt because y'all was pulling me and y'all allow her hit me in my face. Them boys, the male police officer was holding me down.
All right, I can't talk.
You can't talk.
No, I cannot because you keep talking over me.
Baby, if somebody come to you and punch you and hit you in your face and hit you, you don't want to talk. You're mad. They hitting you for no reason. You ain't do shit. You're mad. You know that. If somebody random gonna hit you, you're mad. So y'all want me to calm down? That's not human. Y'all know that. Y'all want me to calm down for what?
What's your name, man?
Let me up, please.
Are you Hawk? You're not Jabri. This is not you. What's your
I
name?
told you that somebody.
What's your
That should
name?
be- You got my wallet.
What's
You
your
got
name?
my
Which one
ID.
is it? You got a bunch of IDs over here. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
What I
Who's
look like? Who my ID?
This don't look like you. None of
That's
these do.
me. That's me.
Dawson?
That's
This you?
That's me.
Okay, so listen. If you do not give us your name, then we
That's
can
me.
get
I
you.
just told him that's me.
Okay.
Baby, listen. Okay, can I?
You're getting all types of attitude right now, and we are just trying to help you right now and try to figure out what's going on.
Baby, I'm talking about.
All right?
I'm talking about.
No, I'm talking right now.
Baby,
all right?
calm
No,
down.
I'm not gonna calm down because you don't even give us you don't allow us to talk to you.
What you mean? You talk first.
Okay, so you keep talking past me.
Babe, okay,
You keep talking past
I'm
me.
listening.
What is your full name?
I just told him that's me. He just showed me.
Tell me.
He just said Dawson. I said, yeah, that's me.
Dawson, what? What's your first
He
name?
got my wallet. He just said
What is your? I don't have your wallet in front of me. What is your first name?
Dejanay. That's my name, baby.
Dejanay.
That's my name, baby.
All right.
Like you come here. You got my name?
With her, this is not my vehicle, but yeah, I can go with her.
That's. I'm not sure.
Is this your car?
This is mine.
Yeah, you want to bring her in?
Yeah, let's
And then just want to do the photographs for him and the victim.
Yeah.
She's going in, right?
Yeah, they're both going in.
This is her phone, so. Yeah. This is her phone.
Okay. Yeah, you guys are going to the same place.
God, I hate ski meals.
Go ahead and step out.
Yeah,
You're going to go around the front of the
One thing
squad.
you better not do is touch me. Don't touch me. I agree. Don't touch
You're going to go up that ramp right there. To the right. To the right.
me. Hold on, can I get a breath? Damn, bitch, I just got fresh air.
Let's go.
I am. Fool, I done talked about this white bitch the whole ride. I hate all of you.
come up this way.
I don't get no fuck. Don't tell me chill, bitch. I hate them.
Follow me.
Don't throw me on the ground and get mad because I say what I say. Don't get no fuck,
Keep
bitch.
an eye on her. I'm going to go move my squad.
Jabri racked up a felony for punching a cop and a misdemeanor for breaking stuff under $500. Her friends settled for a basic battery charge. Not bad for a girls' night out gone full criminal.